This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jerry Rosenblum. This newer, custom home, built by FCI Homes, features numerous high-end upgrades. The open concept design includes high ceilings, a split floor plan, 3 bedrooms plus a den, and 3 full bathrooms. The kitchen is a standout, boasting quartz countertops, a large island, stainless steel appliances, a walk-in pantry, and wood-look tile flooring throughout the main areas. The spacious great room, kitchen, and dining area offer tranquil views of the caged pool and the waterfront canal, which includes a 13,000 pounds boat lift and dock. Additional luxury features include Generac Generator, impact windows, 2 10-foot sliders, an outdoor kitchen with a beverage refrigerator and covered lanai. The owner's suite provides comfort with 2 walk-in closets and separate vanities. The exterior features beautifully maintained landscaping, an oversized 2-car garage, and a circular driveway. The property is ideally located just minutes from the white sand beaches of Marco Island, parks, tennis and pickleball courts, golf courses, shopping, dining, schools, and the YMCA. For more information, review the details below or contact Jerry Rosenblum at 239-450-4770.